I am good person with many great qualities. I am a Lego lover. Feel happy, good, and healthful. Notice I am a kind boy. Want my dad to come back. Worry about bad. Uh, wonder about my brother. Worry about bad guys coming and get me. I I pretend I am Batman fighting man that pretend I am a bat because I love Batman. Remember how to build Lego Temple of Light. No, I am a twin because we look the same. Believe in Santa Claus. Read I am Batman fighting man bat. Hope and wish I can go to Legoland one day. Want to be American soldier when I grow up. I am CJ.